INSONO is our innovative NDT technique for the inspection of engineered composite repairs, specially designed for use in the field, onshore or offshore. INSONO is designed to help you validate the condition and integrity of ICR composite repairs. INSONO can detect defects in the three main areas of concern: the bond line, interlaminar disc bonds, and the metallic substrate. INSONO uses the principles of acoustic inspection to detect and size any anomalies, providing operators with assurance in the long-term performance of composite repairs and the safe extension of defined life repairs, reducing the carbon emissions associated with traditional steel spool replacement, reducing long-term costs and minimizing risk. INSONO, composite inspection technology from ICR.